Hi everyone, I am Srinivali Kumar, a student of outgoing class 12 PCB. When I first came in this school in 2011, I never thought that this day will be so near. Time really flies by. I have been reading in this school from LKG and it's been 14 years. And I think this is one of the most memorable part of my life. I have made friends, lost friends, I have experienced such new things, and the teachers here made us feel like home. When I was small, I used to cry that I don't want to go to school, but after a certain time, I was so excited that I have to go to school. This difference has made a huge impact on my life. But today is the last day in this school and I can't even believe that I will not be coming to this school. The classrooms won't be feeling the same. But I wish to come here whenever I want, and I hope and I think that my teachers will always welcome me just as they welcomed me when I was small.